Adding specific transport data to your product record in EandoX helps to drastically improve the accuracy of LCA calculations. In this video, we'll show you how to create and edit a transport record in EandoX. We'll also show you how to add your specific transport data to your product record. We'll start with creating a new transport. Navigate to the Transport tab in the left-hand navigation menu, then click the Add Transport button in the top right corner. This opens a side panel where we'll input the transport details. Let's select a vehicle type. For our example, we'll go with truck. Next, we'll name the transport Desk Lamp Arm Transport. We'll choose a transport dataset from the list provided. We'll go with the 26 and 7.5 ton truck. This dataset describes the vehicle's environmental impact. It's based on industry averages for the selected vehicle type. But for the most accurate results, we recommend using your own company's specific transport data. Then we'll set the ratio to 20% for the smaller one and 80% for the big one. This ratio describes the percentage of the distance traveled for each truck. The description field is filled automatically, but if you would like to make any changes, that is possible. The fill rate represents the percentage of the vehicle's cargo space used during the outbound shipping, and the empty return represents the percentage of cargo space remaining empty during the return trip. You can custom set these values if you want, but we'll go with the standard ones for now. Finally, click Create to add the transport. Now let's edit our transport. Locate the Desk Lamp Arm Transport in the list of transportations and click on it. This opens the Transport Details page. Here, you can modify the fields that we filled during the creation process. We'll modify the fill rate slightly. The fields that aren't editable, for example vehicle weight, is calculated based on your input values, like your transport dataset. The comment function is great if you want to add any relevant notes for your team. Now that we are done with our changes, let's click Save to save them. Now, let's add our specific transport data to our Desk Lamp product record. Navigate to the Products tab and click on our Desk Lamp. In the Desk Lamp Arm row in the Components section, click Edit. This opens a side panel where we can enter the transport data for our arm component. Unselect the Use Generic Value box and click on Add Transport. Select the transport that we just created, enter the distance traveled for our arm component, and click Save. We've now added our specific transport data to our Desk Lamp Arm component. You can also add specific transport data to your materials and packaging to make your LCA calculations even more accurate. In this video, we showed you how to create and edit a transport record. We also showed you how to add your specific transport data to your product record. If any problems occur, we have a helpful AI assistant, comprehensive documentation, and online customer support to guide you. Thank you for watching.